everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a Glossybox unboxing. It's going to be the April's one, so it's coming already. Honestly, I just feel like I've done March's. I must have got it quite late, but yeah, I'm going to be doing April's unboxing of Glossybox. I have seen something in here that one, I was like, wow, that's expensive. And the other thing, I was like, oh my goodness, I need it. I've wanted an eye cream for so long, and there's an eye cream in here. Spoiler alert. So I'm going to show you guys what's in here. If you don't know what Glossybox is, it's a monthly subscription. I always forget to close my window. It's a monthly subscription, and you get up to, well, even more than £50 sometimes, but you get 5 beauty products in here. It can be skincare, hair care, perfume, makeup, whatever. And honestly, I love it so much. I resubscribed only the other month because I was getting a little bit like, I don't know, I just wasn't really feeling it last year, and now I'm obsessed with it. It's so good. So I'm going to show you guys what's in here. I just love these boxes, and also you don't always get a pink box. They do vary, like Christmas and Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day one was so nice. I didn't get it, but I saw everyone else get it. So this is so pretty. Look at this. It says woke up in spring, which is just so nice. I love this. And you get this gorgeous bow that you undo. I just love their little thing that they do. I just think it's very adorable. So this is the leaflet, which is going to be all about the products, and this is woke up in spring. So in here we have got 5 products, and they're all here, and I'm going to show you guys what they are, how much they are, where they're from, and tell you a little bit about them. Okay, so I hate ripping this paper. It really, I just don't like ripping it. I just don't want to rip it. It's so pretty. I always end up ripping it too much. Oh well. Oh dear. Little box of goodies. Okay, so the first thing I spotted, which I think is amazing, is this 417 Serenity Legend bath. What are these? Bath salts. Okay. These are cute, and they're vegan. So you guys, this is the Serenity Legend Hydrating Dead Sea Bath Salts. Enriched with unique healing minerals, these hydrating Dead Sea bath salts are all you need for a perfectly pampering bath. So this is the deluxe size, and this is worth, wait, this is worth £2.17. So look at the aesthetic of that. Look at the aesthetic. This is gorgeous if you are into like taking aesthetic pictures on Instagram. This is just beautiful. I love the packaging. It's so cute. Okay, so the next thing we have is this Sophia and Mabel full-size eyeshadow squad. Who doesn't love a gorgeous eyeshadow palette? This beautiful palette is perfect for everyday wear, with 4 universally flattering shades inside, a mix of both matte and satin shimmer tones. This is £25. So I'm sorry, but I don't know if you guys are going to agree with me on this, but £25 for this. This needs to be pretty good to be £25. I don't even think any makeup palettes I've bought recently are £25. So I hope the lighting's okay. But this is the palette. I'm not sure this is worth £25, but it's fine. The thing is with Glossybox, for me, I wouldn't go and buy this. So they give you things that you just wouldn't generally buy, which I think is good, because then it gives me time to try them. And it gives me a chance to try products that I wouldn't generally go and buy. So I will try this. I'll see how I feel about this, but I just think it is quite pricey. Let me know your thoughts. Next thing, which I'm very excited about. Everyone, I've seen so many comments about Glossybox saying, oh my goodness, why is there another eye cream? How many eye creams do I need? I don't have any eye creams. I must have never got an eye cream. I need a good eye cream. So this one is the Antioxidant Eye Contour Cream. So this is oh my goodness, Antioxidant Eye Contour Cream, hydrating the under eyes whilst also eliminating small lines around the eyes. This Antioxidant Eye Contour Cream is a dream. A combination of hard-working skincare ingredients including hyaluronic acid, aloe vera, lemon, mint and more also help balance your skin tone, brighten your delicate under eye area, and this is £4.77. So I hope it's good because I want it. I have tried it. I did put a little bit on earlier and I do like it. I do feel like it feels nice on the skin, but obviously I haven't tried it long enough to be able to tell you guys if it's good for under your eyes. But that is the product. We then have this, which I've seen all over Instagram and I'm excited for this. This is the DWTN Paris. I don't know how you say that, but DWTN Paris. This is a full-size liquid blusher formulated with 99% natural and total vegan ingredients. The DWTN Paris blush is the ideal product to enhance your cheeks. This is perfect for bringing a glowy touch to casual makeup or a sophisticated touch to your evening look. Simply take a small amount of the blush and pat along your cheekbones with your fingertips. This is £19.58, so I have seen quite a few things about this, so I'm going to try it out. Obviously I've done a simple makeup today, but oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Okay. Oh my goodness. That is interesting. Okay, that does give a nice little look, but you don't need as much as what I just did. Oh my goodness, look at that actually. It's pretty. That is really pretty. So I'm really looking forward to trying this. Really looking forward to trying it. And then lastly, we have the Skin & Co. Roma Deluxe Size Truffle Therapy Morning Dew Cleanser. Uplift and brighten your complexion, packed with superhero ingredients. This gentle cleanser will soon be an essential step in your skincare routine. Black Winter Truffle Extract fortifies the skin with powerful antioxidant enzymes, while traditional Umbrian Botanical refresh skin and dissolve impurities. So this is a deluxe size and it's worth £1.98. So wow, that's affordable. Okay, so yeah, I feel like this box is very much pampery, you know, not pampery, but I feel like this box has got a lot of pamper products in it, bath salts and this, but the palette, I don't know, I feel like it's quite pricey, but I will test it out. So you guys, that is what we have in this glossy box. Let me know your thoughts down below. Let me know if you've got it or you want to get it. I definitely recommend it. I really do. It's such an exciting time in the month because you know you're going to get loads of new products to try and it is fun. But there is a lot more about Glossybox that you should know. There's glossy credit. So when you've used your products in the Glossybox, you can actually review them and you can earn glossy credit, which will then allow you to use that on Look Fantastic, which is an amazing site, by the way. Then you've got Glossy Lounge, which has got like offers and things. Glossy of the month, so there's like social competitions. And what says May sneak peek. So yeah, also Instagram, you should always follow their Instagram. You can see sneak peeks of their boxes as well. Sometimes there's real big spoilers in there. So you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know down below what, sorry, my cardigan just, I don't know. This cardigan is from Pretty Little Thing and it's so lovely. It's my favourite cardigan ever. I love these long cardigans with camis. That's my style. And honestly, it just doesn't sit right. Like, it just doesn't. Look, it won't sit like a normal cardi. It likes to fall like that. So that's how it is. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know down below what products you want to try, if you want to try any, or your feelings about Glossybox. Also, please subscribe to my channel, and if you are new, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed your first video. I do reviews, I do interior, I do vlogs, I do beauty, I do quite a lot, so make sure you subscribe. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in another video. Bye!